Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic about 7.4. So we are begin with select query with case statement. So earlier we can't use the select with case statements. So with Abap 7.4 release, we can create a select queries with case statements in select query itself. So our basic requirement is to get the values from the VBRK table. So in VBRK table, we have one field called document category. So if the document category is, credit memo means, so what will happen in the sense, it means credit. So we should multiply the values with 1. So in case of if the document category is P, we have to multiply the values with -1. So before IPAP 7.4, what we will do, we will pick the values from the table VBRK and we will put it into a separate internal table. So after that what we will do, we will process that internal table with loop conditions. So we will multiply the values with -1. So it is a time taking process. So with Abap 7.4 new syntax, so we don't need to get the values from the table. We don't need to do the calculations after getting the loop values and if conditions, so those things are not required. So with help of Abap 7.4 syntax, so we can make a calculation while picking the values from the select query itself. So let's see an example. So this is our basic requirement. So let's see how we can approach this case. So first we need to get the document value here. So double N. So let me give as a document. So second field is VBTYP. So this is the actual document category. So let me give document type. So this is our document category. So here we are going to use the case statement. So case, this is the syntax for it. If the case when VBTYP equals to O means credit here. So then what we have to do, then we have to pick the NETWR value. That NETWR value should be multiplied with 1 here. So I will open one bracket here. I will put 1, which means positive. So credit means positive here. So when VBTYP equals to P, which means debit. So then what I have to do, this NETWR star -1. So I have to multiply the values with -1. We have to put in case in as VBTYP. So this is the actual field name. From which table we are getting this? From VB RK table. So let's give the condition like where VKORG equals to 1000 and so we are going to pick only these two values. So I'm passing this as a range. I don't want to get other document category, so I'm picking the values credit and debit documents from the VBRK table. Into table data of our internal table. Okay, let's see the output. So for getting the print of internal table, we can use this SAP provided standard class. Display data. ID underscore table. So as per the requirement, so we are picking the value from the VBRK table. So these are all the conditions that we are passing. So whenever the VBTYP, which means the document category, is O, which means credit. So if it is credit, we are multiplying the values in NETWR into 1. So in case of it is debit, so we are going to multiply that NETWR with -1. This is a real-time example that I'm faced while developing the reports. So let's execute this. Yeah, see here. So yeah, so whenever the P is debit, so it is giving the negative value. So whenever it is credit, so it is multiplying with 1, so it is 10. So let me give order by as well so that we can see the clear outputs here. Yeah, see here. Now O means credit, so it is having only the positive values. Okay, here we have one document number, so it is having negative value. I hope it in document it is having the positive value so that it is giving the negative value here. Let's see. Yeah, see here. So it is already having a negative value. So we are multiplying that O. O means credit. So in database itself it is having the negative value so that it is giving the negative value here. So that's the reason here we are getting the negative value in credit itself. So if we check the debit, so for all the values we are getting the negative values. So this is one real-time case that we can use the select query case statements in Abap 7.4. Thank you.